So, guys, guess what? I am packing. The time has almost come, is coming, is closer that I'm gonna be reuniting with my kids. So here I am. I am packing all my shoes, all my clothes, everything, and I will be moving. I'm so happy. Lord, I have waited on this day going on 4 years now. Packing all my shoes, just throwing them in a plastic storage bin, just packing everything in a bin. I hope the one box will fill all my shoes because I know I'm not doing too much shoes, but I wear them from time to time. I'm so happy. I have to throw these boxes. Yes. So this is a box of letters that I wrote. They're actually prayers that I wrote when I had this prayer calendar thing probably over a year ago. I need to reread them, just to refresh these requests that I have, and just to go back and, you know, memory. Oh, this is one of my cute little white shoes. Yeah, I'm so happy. Lord, the time I wind down. Man. Yes. But I'm just packing as much as I can tonight, and it will be a long packing. But you know what? I have time to take my time and make sure I arrange everything for when the time comes for me to move. Things will be in order, and I am just so grateful. Lord, I have some more shoes. Oh, this box is empty. There are more shoes. Oh, yeah. So I can pack all my summer shoes because it's not like I'm going to be wearing them anytime soon. All right, these, I like brown. So these are my first pair. And then I replaced them with this. These are actually almost gone. But I like them so much. Anyway, I might need, yeah, I'm definitely going to throw these out. So welcome back. I'm still on my packing. This is like day 2 of packing. So we are moving to Canada. Well, I am moving to Canada. We are. So as I'm sharing this journey with you, you know, I'll probably do a video on that on my journey. But for now, I will be moving to Canada, and then my kids will, and then I'll be going to Jamaica to get the kids to join me there. I'm currently now in the United States, but I'm migrating to Canada. So I left Jamaica, came to the US. But God had other plans for me, so now I'm going to Canada. Right, so I I have to secure winter clothes for the kids because they will be coming like in the heights of winter. So what I've been doing since the summer, I was buying clothes that were on sale because I'm like, winter clothes is cheap in the summer, and I'm so happy that I did that. I got some really good deals at H&M, and I'm just here getting all 3 of them winter stuff, full winter wardrobe, so they have stuff for school, so that they are warm, because I hear that Canada cold is a different level of cold from New York cold. These were all purchased in the summer. Like literally, they were like maybe $5 a piece. I honestly don't remember, but it was not a lot of money. Like probably 80% off the original price. So it's a good bargain. I don't know, I probably took the tags off. I'm not seeing them. Probably was like 3 for $10. I don't remember, but it was not a lot. So I got so many hoodies. Anyway, I'm not gonna need them. I can't find a tag on them. I think I took the tags off, but they were reasonable. But that's so hyper. I can't sleep. That's no, I got tired. Yeah, so I'll be moving at the end of the month. Today is like what, 14th of November? Yeah, when I met the first catch me in the man house. because I'm not paying no more rent. Wee! Can't manage. Mm-mm. Time for me go. Time to go. Time up. Time come. March we are March. Alright. I feel like PMP sing a song they would get the fit labor right more. I don't know. No, but I come from me phone a song, yeah, but me just I say it sound good, but it fit labor right, because yeah. PMP, I'ma try. Y'all tried. I never vote. I've never voted. That's not good. I am yet to exercise that right to vote. Yeah, I'm so happy. And the days are finally counting down, like days away. Probably maybe weeks away from reuniting with my kids. It's going on almost 4 years. December 13 will be 4 years. Man, I'm so grateful. But I'm here just packing. It still feels surreal, and I might sound weird to say this, but it feels surreal because it's something that I've been dreaming of, waiting for, yearning for so long, and it is finally happening. So yeah, just get them like warm hoodies. Everything is fleece lined, you know. I have to make sure that they're warm because I don't do deal well with cold and coming from a tropical climate into a Canada weather, winter. It's gonna be brutal. So I have to make sure that them, do my best to secure warm stuff for them. And God has been good to me, and I am really, really grateful. I'm so excited. I'm tired, but I can't sleep. I feel hyperactive, like really overstimulated because it's so much. It's overwhelming, but it's a good feel of overwhelm. That's a weird thing. Anyways, it's a good feeling, and I'm just here packing. Okay, I should wait until I get the rest of. Yeah, I'm not gonna mix them. I'm gonna put each child's clothes in one thing, so they will be easy to sort when we move. Wow. So little by little, I just want to get things organized as best as possible. So hey, where is the remote? All right, so I'm gonna pack the rest of stuff. But tonight I'm just putting away the winter stuff, the clothes that I got for my kids, and then as the time go by, I just pack my room little by little, little by little. See, I have some stuff here that I already packed in this bag. I also have these containers on the ground. What am I doing with the selfie stick? Here they are. But this one is empty right now. Right? So little by little I'm getting there. Slowly but surely. I think I'm still gonna surprise them. They know I'm coming, but they don't know when exactly because I tell them I have to go to Canada, settle in, bring your stuff over, make sure everything is ready for you, set up stuff, set up shop, and then I'll come for you. But I don't know exactly when yet, but it will be soon.